Are you excited? Because I am excited to show you all my customizations and add-on for my FabFitFun fall box. If you watched my video that I released a couple of weeks ago showing you the process of customizations and add-on, be aware because I've made some changes to my customization. It was not a lot, but I've made some changes and I'm really excited to show you how much is my box worth, everything that I got. So let's start through the add-on. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, so the add-on are a sale that they have just before our customizations, okay? And it runs like through a couple of days, and we have like some, I think that it is somewhere around 30 to 75% discount in some products. I deleted some products, decided to stay just with my face masks. I've got 3 face masks. One of them was the Glam Glow Cleanse Mask, and this Cleanse Mask at Sephora it sells for $9 just one. And on the add-on it was $9 too. Okay, so even though if you are like a huge member and at the end of the year they do give you 30% off, it's not gonna be 50. Okay, so this one was a really good deal. The next one, it was the RU, I think that it is RU. It is the RU 7 mask set. I already got this mask through Amazon and I've paid $15 and it was on sale for $5 on the add-on. Okay, so I got this one, and the most expensive face mask that I got, it was from Rodeo, and this one is a vitamin C mask. I was eager to try a vitamin C mask, and this one comes 4 masks, and I paid $24. So the total of my add-on was $32. Okay, so now let's go to the real box. If you are a seasonal member, that means that you pay your subscription every season. You are gonna be able to choose 3 products out of the 8 products that comes in the fall box. All the other products, they are gonna be chosen for you. Okay, no worries, everybody's gonna get the same amount of products. But if you are a select member, that means that you pay for a full year, you're gonna be able to choose 5 products out of the 8 products, okay? And the other 3 products, it comes for every member, okay? So you cannot choose, it's the same 3 products for all members. Got it? Let's start for the selections that were for all members. So for the first selection that it was open for everyone, I chose the Mika flat iron. So it comes in this bag here that smells good. And I chose this one because I do have a flat iron and my flat iron is like thicker, and I think that this one's gonna be easier for me, you know what I mean, to do some styling. The second product, it was this detox pads. It's from the brand Nassif MD, and this is actually a cleanse exfoliating pads, and it comes 60 pads, okay, in this container. The third product, that it was the last one that unseasonal members were able to choose, it was from the Better Skin Co, and this is Better Skin Lava Magic. This is basically a multi-task product, so you can cleanse, you can scrub, and also you can use as a mask. And now comes the two products that just select members were able to choose. But I forgot to say in the beginning, it was that you may add the other products that you saw on your each customization for an extra cost. So now I'm gonna show you the product that I chose and also the product that I chose to pay extra. Okay, for the fourth product of the box, I chose from Skin Volve. This is a body boost gel, and this actually is a pre-workout activator. What happens is that you're gonna apply before you go to the gym, and this is going to help tone, firm, and smooth your skin. Okay, just saying. So I'm really excited to try this one. But also, I chose to pay extra for this hair towel because I was really tired of having like that big towel wrapped around my head. So I decided to get this one. I even already opened it. It's here because I was really excited and I want to see it. And the last product that select members were able to choose, I got the Wonder Beauty Gold Eye Mask. So this is a hydrating eye mask, and it comes 6 pairs of eye masks here. And I decided to pay extra for this Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Face Toner. I've paid like $7, so 7 plus 7 is for $14 extra for my customizations. So I've paid $52 in total extra for my fall box. Okay, so now comes 3 products that nobody can choose, and we just get to see what they are when we get our tracking number. Okay, and then you can go there on your account or on your app, and there they show you the spoilers. There is a hair product, and it is from Aveda. I think I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but this is the Damage Remedy, and it is a daily hair repair. What you're gonna do is you apply this on a damp hair. Please do not rinse, and then you can style your hair the way that you want. If you want to air dry, it's fine, but if also you want to use heat, it protects against heat. Okay, the second product, it is from Human Plus Kind. I've never heard about this brand before, but this is a body souffle. So let me see here. So it says that it's a blend of apricot oil and shea butter. So it's supposed to leave your skin very hydrated, soft to the touch because it's a souffle. And the last product from Harper Plus Ari. It is not exfoliating sugar cubes. So this is not in shower system. So basically you get 1 sugar cube, please. It smells really good. And then you use in shower for a exfoliated and soft skin. This we need, right, during fall and winter. So let me know in the comments down below what were your thoughts about this fall box. Did you get any of these products? Did you know any of these products? I am curious because like besides Skin & Co. and Aveda and Amica, I didn't know any other brand that it was in this box. Okay. Oh, and also I knew Wonder Beauty, but all the other brands I've never heard about them. So let me know what your thoughts are. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? See you next time. Bye.